Students, hi students, how are you? Are you fine, ma? Are you fine, students? Everyone is fine. Okay. Did you study previous class portion, ma? Did you learn? History second lesson I have completed, isn't it? Have you all studied this lesson, ma? Study, okay. Today, I plan to teach geography second lesson, land and ocean. Okay, ma? Land and ocean. Okay, so land and ocean, in this lesson is focus on the land and ocean found on earth. We are living in which planet? Earth, isn't it, pa? So in previous lesson, I have completed all the, I explained the solar family, isn't it, students? In this lesson is focusing water. We are living in this planet. It details with the classification of landforms, first, second and third order landforms. Okay. So land and ocean means, isn't it? Oceans, isn't it? Large, huge water bodies, isn't it? Oceans. Huge water bodies are called oceans. Okay, ma. Then the large landmass is called what, ma? Land area, isn't it? So, example, continents, isn't it? 7 continents will be there, isn't it, ma? So in this lesson, is detailing I will explain this. Okay, ma. So the teacher, first one, what practical work the ma'am is giving. Okay, students. So the teacher is enters the classroom with a giant-sized envelopes. Okay, so the students are enthusiastic to know about the content of the envelopes. The teacher asks the children to sit in groups and explain the activity. One activity, teacher is going to give one activity. Okay. So, are you interested, students? Are you do the activity? Everyone is ready to do the activities, isn't it, students? Okay. So, in this lesson, grouply the peoples will be there. Okay. Grouply the students they arranged. Okay. In this, one activity the ma'am has given. Okay. Given to the students. What activity, giant sized envelopes they brought. Okay, so teachers enter and bring this giant sized envelope. So each group is giving an envelope which contains 7 zigzags and a chart paper. Okay, so they are giving seven size. The size is different. Okay, so the teacher asked them to paste the zigzags close to each other, leaving no gap between them. The teacher asked them to color the remaining places in blue. Nothing, students. So, 7 continents will be there, isn't it? So, the 7 continents is same shape, no, isn't it? So, it is different, isn't it? North America is different, South America is different, Asia is different, isn't it? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, Australia is different, isn't it? So, like that, they cut the envelope and they enter inside the classroom. Okay, so they are giving each part to the group members, group students. Okay, so the group students, what they will do? How to fix the which place without gap I have to fix. Okay, so remaining places and all have to color with blue. Clear, students? Clear? So you have one atlas book, isn't it? Everyone has the atlas book, isn't it? Isn't it, students? In this year, atlas book is there, isn't it? See here, ma. The continents will be there, isn't it? Have you seen, ma? Have you seen, ma? North America, South America. This is oceans: Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Asia, Europe, Africa. Pacific Ocean is covered. So remaining places: Indian Ocean, Australia. Okay, ma. Australia, Antarctica. This area, Antarctica. Okay, ma. So like that, this shape, this size of zigzag shape, the man is giving to the students. What it will happen, ma? They have given to the people. So the students are going to fix the continents. Okay, fix the this picture. Okay, could you understand, ma? So remaining part they color it in the blue. Clear? That is what blue means ocean, isn't it, pa? Isn't it? So like that, one activity ma'am has given to the students. Okay, so if I give this activity, everyone is interested to do that, isn't it? Everyone is very interested, isn't it, pa? So like that, this activity the ma'am has given to the students. Okay, ma. So a group pays to the continent and comes first with the chart. Without any gaps in between the continents, the teacher then puts the chart on the board and the children applied. Okay, so they fixed all those things and they put in the board. Okay, so this chart. So what kind of picture is this? So ma'am is asking what kind of picture is this? Everyone is getting this answer. So once I have seen one like this in the atlas. Says Yalini. Yalini is telling, one of the school student is telling, I can see this. Where it is in the atlas. Atlas means what, ma? A book of map. Okay. Atlas means what, ma? A book of map. Okay. Have you seen that in your book in this year also? They have given one atlas book, isn't it? In that atlas book, if we can turn all the pages, many maps has given. Okay, many maps has given. Nowadays in the mobile also, what a map app is there, isn't it? With the help of that, what if you can go to any other place, any other area, what we will get the correct information, isn't it? So route map is there, isn't it? Isn't it? So map is very important. For what purpose it is very important, no? We can identify where it is located in these countries and all, isn't it? It is easy to identify the places. Okay, it is easy to identify the places. Map type is many, isn't it? Many types of maps are there. Okay, so that and all it is not given students. Many types of map is there. Okay, thematic map, boundaries, so etc. etc. It is. So what kind of so like that it is. You are right. This is Pangaea. The supercontinent and the sea around is Panthalassa. Okay, so this is what, ma? This is Pangaea. Okay, that is what, ma? Supercontinent. Okay, supercontinent, Pangaea. Continents are called what? Pangaea. So remaining the sea around is what? Panthalassa. Okay, Panthalassa. Clear, ma? Land area, Pangaea. Okay, then seaside, Panthalassa. It was 200 million years ago when these land masses moved away from each other to gain the present position as continent and ocean, says the teacher. Okay, how it happened? Not a sudden movement. So little by little moved. Okay, the land masses moved away from each other to gain the present position as continents and oceans, says the teacher. That means what? Movements. So we are thinking we are in this place, isn't it? So in some other little later what it will happen? No? In some other days after what it will happen? No, this area is moved. Okay, it is moving. But we are in this place. We couldn't guess that. Okay, so the movements it happened. Okay, so due to the climatical changes, weather condition, if it is good, if the earth is heated, okay, that one also, earthquakes coming time, then some other disease, some other natural calamities, if it is, okay, we can face this type of problems. It's moving, okay, so it is formed a continents, okay, ma. So the present position as continents and oceans, so it will be like this. So what makes it to move, madam? Ask Neela. Okay, Neela is asking how it is moving like this. Nothing other than the internal heat of the earth. Okay, what is the main reason? Internal heat of the earth, says the teachers, and continues. This lesson deals about the continents and oceans in details. Okay, so internal, due to the internal heat only, what it will happen, ma? It's moved. Okay, it's moved. Okay. Not only this, what natural calamity is also one of the reason only. Okay, students. Then the earth is covered by water, which occupies 71%, and land that occupies 29% of the earth's surface. So you think it, students, 71% water has covered. Okay, in this planet. 21% only land. 29% water. Sorry, 29% land area. Okay, it occupies percentage of the earth's surface. The surface of the earth is not even because it has lofty mountains, deep oceans and other landforms. These landforms can be classified as, okay, so what ma, 21%, 71% water has covered. Okay, okay ma, 29% what earth surface of the earth it is. Okay, so you think it's mostly the water only it's covered. Okay, so it has classified into three orders. Okay, first order landform, second order landform, third order landform. Okay, students. So first order landform, continents, oceans it will be. Okay, continents and oceans has covered. Then second order landforms, mountains, plateaus, plains. Okay, second order, mountains, plateaus, plains. Third order, valleys, beaches, sand dunes. Okay, once. Third order, what are? Valleys, beaches, sand dunes. Clear? So, it is classified into three. First order landform, second order landform, third order landform. First order landform, continents and ocean. Okay, ma. Second order landforms, mountains, plateaus and plains. Third order landform, valleys, beaches, sand dunes. Okay, valleys, beaches, sand dunes. Clear? So, first order landform, I am going to explain. First order landform. So, continents and oceans are grouped as first order landform. Isn't it, Bob? So, first it is given. So, continents and ocean has covered first order landform. So, you know 7 continents will be there, isn't it? The vast land masses on earth are called continents. Okay, the vast land masses of earth are called continents, and huge water bodies are called oceans. Okay, huge water bodies are called oceans. Okay, there are 7 continents. Okay, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia it is. Okay, then Asia is the largest continent, whereas Australia is the smallest one. Okay, Asia is the largest continent, Australia it is very small. Okay, it is based on the land masses it will be. Okay, so while if you are seeing in the atlas, the continents, what continents will be there, isn't it? One map is there, world map is there. In the world map, if we can see all the places, some it is very big in size, some is it is very small. Okay, so but our Asia is the largest continent. Okay, we are in which continent? Asia continent, isn't it? Okay, ma? Yes, isn't it? We are in which continent? Asia continent. Okay, India is the subcontinent. India is the subcontinent. So Australia is the smallest one. Okay, ma? So land so land classification, Sangam period. In Sangam period, land has classified into 5, you know, Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Pale. Okay, Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Pale. Okay, Kurunji, mountain and its environs. Okay, mountain and its environs. Mullai, forest and its surroundings. So that area is separated. Okay, Mullai, forest area. Okay, ma. Marudam, agricultural land and its adjoining areas. Okay, agriculture, fertile land it is. Then Neidal, sea and its environs. Okay, sea and its environs. Then Palai, desert region. Palai, desert region. Land has classified in the Sangha period how? Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Palai. Okay, Kurunji, mountain and its environs. Okay, Mullai, forest and its surrounds. Marudam, agricultural land and its adjoining areas. Neidal, sea and to environs. Okay, Palai, desert region. Okay, ma. So in the Sangha period itself, they can classify like this. Okay, then apart from continents, okay, apart from continents, there are 5 oceans located in the earth. You know, in the first order landform, continents, oceans are covered. So 7 continents will be there, 5 oceans will be there. Okay, Pacific, Atlantic, Indian Southern and Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay, ma. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So among this ocean, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and the Arctic Ocean is the smallest. Okay, Arctic Ocean is the smallest, Pacific Ocean is the biggest one, the largest one. Okay, could you understand? Could you understand? This is classified, this is first order landform. Okay, ma? So it will be like that. Could you understand, ma? Could you understand? So 5 oceans: Pacific, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Okay, clear, clear? Everyone take your atlas book. Okay, everyone take your atlas book, ma. The continents of the world. Okay, continents of the world. If you not have also no problem, students. Continents of the world. You know, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, ma. So see, Antarctica is smallest continent. Okay, it's very smallest continent. Asia, it's covered more land mass, isn't it? So it is very big. Okay, ma. Okay, students. So it will be like that. See, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, okay, Pacific Ocean, see the Pacific Ocean is covered like this, isn't it? So it is the largest ocean in the world, okay ma. Then Arctic Ocean is very small, okay. Then Southern Ocean near this side, Atlantic Ocean. Clear students? Clear ma? Okay, so you know to mark the places, isn't it? Everyone know to mark the places? Yes, I think. Okay, already you learned, isn't it? 7 continents and 5 oceans. Everyone know that everything. Everyone know to mark which places it is located, isn't it? Just you practice this, okay? Will you practice this, ma? It is very important, isn't it, students? It is very important. So you practice this, okay? Could you understand? So first order landforms, continents and oceans, okay? Oceans, clear? That is first order landform. Second order landform, mountains, plateaus, plains. Okay, students. Third order, valleys, beaches, sand dunes. Okay, ma'am. So I will explain the second order landform and third order landform into next class. Okay, clear, students? Could you understand? Could you understand? So today you should do this activity. Okay, activity not you learn this, learn and practice this. Okay, will you do that, ma'am? Will you do? Okay, students, remaining portions I will continue into next class. Thank you, students.